Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see any of the still pictures of the specific unit or any other cargo van, for example, that we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you brand new arrivals, a 2019 Ram 2500 high roof cargo van, 159-inch wheelbase, just a really nice cargo van, and it is bright red in color. Starting on the front, we're going to notice we do have the black front bumper, and this is a 5-piece front bumper. So for example, if someone would damage this part right here, this corner comes off and you replace that corner instead of the whole bumper. So, which is a really nice feature. Definitely a cost savings to the business that would be purchasing this van. It does have the 16-inch steely wheels, as you can see there, with a really nice LT tire on there. Black bumper, side bumper is located all the way down the side of the cargo van to prevent any damage to the cargo van, and this is on both sides of the van. And like I said, guys, this is a flame red exterior color, which definitely does pop when you're going down the road. This vehicle does have backup sensors located on the back bumper. And it also has a backup camera located right in the center of the top of the two doors right there. This vehicle has the 3.6 liter Pentastar motor. This is a front wheel drive motor, so definitely ease of driving, especially in the winter months if you have weather to deal with. With it being that 3.6 liter Pentastar motor, you're going to get best in class fuel economy. There's no reason you should be not getting 25 miles per gallon on the highway with this thing. It is a very economical cargo van and very large with plenty of interior room. First thing you're going to notice when you have this cargo van is your large entry door. This is a almost 6 foot tall interior door and it opens wide enough to fit a whole skid of whatever it may be directly in this side door. So not only can you get the skid in the side, but now you can get the skid in the back too. So you'll have access to put multiple skids in from different locations. As you can see on the floor, you do have your hooks. You have 5 hooks on each side, which is nice when traveling down the road if you need to tie something down. There's 5 on the driver's side and then also 5 on the passenger side. On this particular unit, we opted to put a vinyl wall covering on the lower and upper walls on the passenger side, along as with the driver's side. Also, another option that we put on this particular unit is the rear LED cargo light. Very nice when you're getting into them dark areas, maybe it's early or late in the evening. With that LED light, it definitely brightens up the whole interior of the back of this cargo van. And like I said, guys, the interior height on this is over 6 foot tall. I'm a 6 foot guy. I'm standing straight up, and I probably have 3 extra inches plus of headroom above that, which is a very nice feature, especially when you need to get in and out of this vehicle all day long. Nice little storage compartment located right behind the driver and passenger seat. Whatever it is you maybe need to store up there, but a nice little area. This particular vehicle does have power mirrors and power locks, power windows also, and these are power folding mirrors, as you can see right there. By a push of a button, they simply fold right in. This particular vehicle does have capability of Bluetooth, so you can program your phone directly into the radio, and then you can simply answer your phone by pushing the buttons on the side of the steering wheel. You have your conversation through the speaker system instead of grabbing for that cell phone while driving down the road. You can also adjust your volume and your stations from the steering wheel too. This does have the upgraded cruise control that's on it. That is an option with Ram, so keep that in mind. This particular vehicle has a touchscreen radio, so this is the upgraded touchscreen radio from Ram. It does have AM and FM capabilities. You can also download media into this thing, or it does have has a compass built in there. And like I said, guys, by hitting that phone button right there, you can pair your phone directly into the radio. Your heat and AC controls are all located right here, and it does have USB access and 12-volt DC charging capabilities. Overall, a really nice van. And you know, one of the biggest pluses with this front wheel drive vehicle is that no drive shaft running to the rear wheels, which lets us put our van lower to the ground, which makes ease of exiting and entering the cargo van a lot easier and a lot less painful on the knees day in and day out. And guys just seem to love it. They don't realize how much of a difference that can make by lowering the vehicle down while they're climbing in and out of them all day long, but definitely a big plus in the cargo van industry. Guys, like I said, this is a 2019 Ram 2500, bright red in color, upgraded radio, wall paneling on the sides, on the upper and lower, the LED lighting in the rear, and much more as far as capability. Front wheel drive, 20 plus miles a gallon on the highway, V6 motor that's been tried and tested since 2011. It's a great motor with plenty of pulling and towing capability. Guys, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today as soon as it hits the lot. If you want to see any of the still pictures of the specific cargo van or any other cargo van we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And guys, keep in mind, if we do not have it on our website, does not mean we don't have more coming in. We are getting new arrivals weekly when it comes to cargo vans, and we are one of the guaranteed best prices nationwide on any new or used cargo van. Make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Hit that subscribe button. Take a look at our website at sherrychrysler.com.